Hey, it's Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. This is another Tyco car. This is a Tyco 440X2 chassis. That's a 440X2 chassis. Oh, cow, fast chassis. And this is a limited edition. There's not a lot of these left. This is a Datsun 280Z kit. A Datsun. This was before they changed their name to Nissan. And frankly, I think they should change their name back to Datsun. I think their sales would go up. Because Datsun was a big company in this. That was one of my first cars I had, was a Datsun. I had a Datsun, what did I have? Oh, I love that car. Of course, I traded it then for something else. What are you talking about? Now, why isn't that running?
You have it on the wrong track.
Oh, okay, yeah, these don't work on, these do not work on Skill Electric. Okay, so that, I wonder, I just had this thing running. Okay, all right, so this comes with a windshield. You put the windshield on, it's a white, and the back fin. See, the back fin comes off, and when you get it in a kit, it comes in the kit, okay? Let me pop this off here so you know what you're getting. You're getting all this inside the box like this. The windshield and the fin are not on. And then your chassis, it's all inside this little kit. And you put it together, you can paint it. You can create your own style of the car. Everything just pops in. Your fin pops on the back, and you have to glue it, so you want to make sure it's there, it stays in there. And this is a Tyco 440X2. Another beautiful, fast car. And this is item Tyco TYC 440X2-13001K Datsun 280Z XS. Check that out. Isn't that sweet? You don't have half the videos that we did a month ago up yet. You know those, none of the Race Masters are up yet.
They're now.
They're there, but they're not up. No, they're not.
I know.
That's what okay, here, see, that's how millennials talk. They talk in riddles. So, Brian Young, don't forget to like and subscribe, give us thumbs up on everything, okay? Thumbs up everything so that you get all the notifications, that you're constantly kept up to date on what Pro Tinker is doing, because we are doing great things. We're trying to make slot cars great again. You like that? Bye.